Hi there, welcome to A Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we're going to talk about December Daily or your Document December project. I have participated in this probably for about 4 years now, and every year I try to do something a little bit different. And this year I had originally was planning on going home to Canada, and plans have changed. And so my original thought as to how I was going to complete this project has also changed. Originally, I was thinking of just doing a really small 4x4 album and just doing like the 12 days of Christmas, but because I will be here longer, I thought maybe I could play around with just doing a more thematic book as opposed to necessarily some sort of quantity or number of days. And I went through my stash and I came across this collection from Carta Bella. It's a Very Merry Christmas. It's by Steve Duncan. It has a bit of a retro feel to it. As if you're familiar with Steve Duncan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So what I thought I would do this year is to create a mini album and document holiday traditions, old and new. So traditions from my childhood that I remember and maybe still maintain to this day, as well as traditions that I've developed living in California, not always going home for Christmas, that kind of thing. And I thought this kind of retro feel lent itself to kind of a reflective project. This is going to be my main product for this project. Along those lines, I pulled out this sticker sheet. This is from Santa's Workshop. It's also a Carta Bella, just in case I need some additional embellishments. And I pulled a few other sheets that I thought kind of went with the collection in case I needed additionals. I'm not thinking I'm going to, but just in case. So I've got a couple sheets from Echo Park, Merry and Bright. And this is from Close to My Heart. It is Cedar and Pine. I bought a bulk pack of this, so I have a lot of sheets. And then this one is Through the Woods from Studio Calico. This is few years old, from 2017. Backside is a plaid. And then also from Merry and Bright from Echo Park, this foiled sheet called Jolly Words. And I probably won't use this one. This lends itself more to a December daily kind of approach. This is the 2x2 journaling cards, but I threw it in there because I had some other items from the Merry and Bright collection. So that is going to be my main papers. I didn't pull a ton of embellishments. I'm thinking, and I know for those of you that have watched my previous December daily projects, you're like, yeah, Mel, we'll see if you can really do this. But I'm thinking of trying to keep it a little bit more condensed, not quite so big and bulky, but we'll see if I can succeed or not. I just pulled out a few things that caught my eye and kind of went with the color scheme. So I've got these LE Studios Holly and Berries. This is from Hobby Lobby, Mirrored Words. Also from Hobby Lobby, these dimensional poinsettias. I've got some odds and ends wood veneer buttons. These pretty little Studio Woodland animal cards. I thought they kind of had that retro look. Puffy stickers from Carta Bella, Merry Christmas. Also from Carta Bella, Santa's Workshop. Some glitter snowflakes. These are from Snow and Cocoa. Hobby Lobby, some glitter foam poinsettias. Also these bulbs. I thought they kind of had a retro look to them. And then this is Cozy Thickers, and it's just got some, like a wood grain, different Christmas words. I had a few die cut pieces. I don't know if these will make their way in or not, but I'm always trying to find a way to make them work. These are leftovers from previous year's Crafty Advent Calendar. And then I also have this snowflake vellum from Stampin' Up! That I thought I could always use as a layer. And you guys, that's it. That's all I pulled. And I think I should be able to do this project pretty quickly. My plan is to create the album over the next couple weeks so that it's ready to go for December. And I probably won't work on it on a daily basis. I suspect I will wait till the end of Christmas, assemble all my photos, and then pop them into the project, and then I'll do a final project share. So I will be showing you the assembly of the album in case you want to do something similar, and then a project share at the end. So just a little teeny 3-part mini series. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe if you are interested in seeing how this comes about. And I'd also love to hear if you are participating in some sort of Document December project and how you're approaching. Leave a comment below. And until next time, happy crafting.